guys, so we're recording next to this white-necked raven. Before it was making bubble popping noises. Look how cute. Oh, did you hear that? That's not me, that's the bird. I wish I could let you go. Bye, guys.